Welcome. In front of me I have the AMAZFIT T-Rex 3 Pro, and I'll be going over unboxing along with just a quick look at the watch itself. Okay, so let's just get straight into this. We don't have any kind of seal to cut. How the hell do I open this? Oh, there we go. We have pull tabs. Thank you. There we go. Why can't I get in there? Come on. What the hell is happening? Oh, there we go. Okay, took a bit of a fiddling right here to get it out of here. So, it's a box inside of a box. Let's go. Opening it up, we have our watch, our little instruction that no one cares about, and come on. There we go. And our charger. And that one was really in there. So here's the watch. Now, despite its size, it actually feels much lighter than I would have expected. Now under that we have our watch strap. Can I take it out without damaging it? Probably not. Great design. You know what? Screw this. I'm just gonna yoink it. I don't like designs where you have to damage packaging. But hey, it is what it is here. Now the strap itself actually feels decent. You just kind of, come on, there we go. So taking it off, automatically just put it on here. There we go. So that goes on pretty easily. And the other one, there we go. So it actually attaches relatively easily on here. The strap itself is actually just a little bit stretchy, as you can see. It's relatively soft silicone, so it shouldn't be harsh to on your arms, even when you have ones like I do. Actually, let's peel that off. Now, I don't know if I need to plug it in to turn it on. Just gonna hold literally every button. Let's see what happens. Come on. Okay, nothing happens. So it looks like, oh no, never mind, I don't need to plug it in. There it goes. Now I want to point out one thing. So we do have a charger in here. Or I actually can't call this a charger. There is no cable, no brick to charge it. It's just a little puck. So you need to have your own cable apparently now, because that's already e-waste as well. And you need to have your charger because that's also an e-waste. I can't wait for companies to also then tell you, you need to buy a strap separately because that's e-waste. You know what? You need to buy battery separately because that's also e-waste. But anyway, as you can see, the device turns on. It has a pretty massive display right here. It is a touch display, even though we have ample amounts of buttons all around. And funny enough, we also have our little flashlight right here, though I'm not sure how to actually enable it. So yeah, these buttons actually function as navigation as well. So you can see, you can scroll down or up, but you can also just use the display normally. But anyway, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.